If you want to make your voice, your audio sound better in CapCut, then this video is for you. Stay tuned. Guys, hello! Michael here from Micro Audio, and I'm going to show you the 3 waves plus a bonus tip on how to make your voice, your audio sounds better and looks better in CapCut. I'm usually not the video guy, but in terms of audio, I found a couple of tweaks you can do in order to create your audio sounds better in CapCut, which is very amazing, very popular video editing tool, video editing software. Let's jump right into the CapCut. And here I have a very bad video of me looking like Grinch, maybe. And here is the audio, which is terrible. Check it out. I'm testing the bad audio from my second camera, and we will try to fix it ASAP. Alright, there is noise, there is some clicks, there is echo, there is reverb. Everything is very muddy and everything is very sounding like a piece of garbage. So let's try to make it better. There are 3 ways to make it better. First of all, we are clicking on the track of the audio and we are going for audio right here at the top. If you want to make it louder, you are probably knowing for volume. You can increase it or decrease it however you want. I won't talk about it too much. There is a first way to make it better, and that's just by using this very simple knob called noise reduction. And if you click noise reduction, the CapCut will reduce the noise, will firstly find the noise levels inside of your track, and then it will reduce it. That way it will also affect the audio quality of your voice. Let's try to check it out right now. I'm testing the bad audio from my second camera, and we will try to fix it ASAP without... Alright, as you can see, the noise is now gone. That was very simple. Let's go for the second thing, which I really love, and that's actually brand new thing inside of the CapCut, and that's loudness normalization. Again, there is very less you can do here because it's only one check mark and that's all. But firstly, I will mark all the movie clips and then I will hit loudness normalization. And now I don't know if you saw, all the tracks were normalized to the same level. As you can see right here, it says normalized to target loudness minus 23 LUFS, which is the standard in audio industry, especially for movies and podcasts, etc. So now all the movie clips are at the same level. That's really amazing feature because sometimes you are talking farther away from the mic, you're talking closer to the mic, and it captures everything. I can already see that this tool did a nice job for me. All the segments are now nicely leveled. And there is the third thing which I love, and that's especially used when you're recording with your phone. A couple of times when I were recording with my iPhone, I found that it has those 2 microphones which are recording in stereo. So if you're recording closer to one microphone, then it will pick. So this here is iPhone 12 Pro. So if you're recording close to the mic, to the one mic, it will move the audio to the left side or to the right, and if you are talking closer to the other mic, it will go in the opposite way. And then you have this very nice feature called channels right here. I especially love this feature with my iPhone because the iPhone records on left and right, and because of that sometimes you won't even notice that you are closer to the one mic versus to the other one, and the other one will record the lower volume and the one on the other side will record the better volume. So you want the better volume to be on the center. You don't want the levels to be different. For example, like louder volume from right speaker and then decreased volume from the left speaker. So that's what we don't want. Because of that, we can use this feature right here called channels, and then we can use none, which is the default setting, or we can use fill right with left or fill left with right. Usually the right microphone is that one beside your ears. So when you are talking this is the iPhone, when you are talking like this. And you want to click fill left with right. And you will see which one is better. Because one mic is going to be stronger and the other one is going to be lower in volume. And using this feature, both channels will be centered and will be leveled nicely. And that will make your audio more stronger. If the second microphone is decreased in quality or picked some other hum or noise or something, you will totally eliminate it and you will only left with the correct one. So that's a great thing to use. And I said that I will show you one extra tool which is called Adobe Speech. And Adobe Speech is an amazing tool from company Adobe, which made Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Audition, Photoshop, Illustrator, etc. It actually brings the power of AI into your recording. So if your voice recording, it sounds very terrible and it has a lot of noise from the street or from the wind or from animals or outside of people, of human talking or any hiss or something very weird, the Adobe Speech will figure it out, what it needs to be done, and it will do it in a matter of seconds. You only need to upload the file directly to Adobe Speech, which is free tool, and the Adobe Speech in a matter of seconds will analyze the noise levels, the sound of those strong sibilant sounds which appears to happen when you say word s. It's very peak. It peaks a lot. And because of that, you can use it as well. And this is my take with the Adobe Speech turned on. Check it out.
I'm testing the bad audio from my second camera and we will try to fix it ASAP.
As you can see, the voice is now more natural, it's more amazing, clear, clean. It's not 100% great, but what it was, that's amazing right now. Thank you very much for looking this video and let me know if this helped you. If it is, please like and subscribe to my channel because more videos just like this one are coming soon. Thank you and I see you in the next video. Bye.